Hey everybody, my name is Chad Morris and I'm with PALFINGER USA in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. Okay, today I will be sharing some tips with you on winterizing your bucket truck on the coming colder months. Okay, the first tip I want to give you is you need to change your hydraulic oil and filter at least once a year. And everybody knows that your hydraulic system gets hot, and with heat that makes moisture. And if you go along a couple of seasons without changing your hydraulic fluid and filter, in the cold months your system could actually freeze, especially the filter. And if you look in here, here's the tank and the filter and a gauge. And that gauge, when it gets in the red, you definitely have to change that filter. The next tip I want to share with you is about your hoses, the condition of your hoses, specifically the ones that are exposed to the elements, like these for instance. And then there's a couple more on the unit. But if you notice, this has what they call a sock over the hose. And people drop things on these or get these tangled up in tree limbs and stuff like that. And so you can obviously see damage to this sock. But it can also damage your hoses. And so you want to look at your hoses if they're weather cracking, bubbling, or anything that looks suspicious. And the older your hoses get, the more susceptible to failure that they will have. The third tidbit I want to share with you is the battery condition. Some of these units are electric over hydraulic, which means they don't run off of a PTO. They run off of electric motors, which gets their power source from batteries. So you want to, if your batteries are a couple of years old and you have a cold spell, it could go ahead and knock that battery out. And you need to make sure that the truck charging system is charging that battery as you're driving down the highway. That's it, everybody. We're finishing our video here, and you can visit us on our website, palfingerusa.com.